2022. So now I gotta go check on a couple of AC units. I've done work for this lady a bunch of times. She got two AC systems. She's got one air handler in the basement that handles 2 zones with 1 condenser outside. I've changed that condenser. I put a 410A condenser in there. She had a 22 coil and I had to change the piston. That was a few years back. Might have been three years or so. 2-3 years ago. And the one on the second floor, it's got zone dampers also. And that one's got 2 zones, and that takes care of the whole second floor with 1 condenser out. So you got a condenser for the first, you got a condenser for the second, and you got air handlers that got zone dampers, first and second. So we're gonna go over there, we're gonna check the filters, make sure the filters are okay, and might need new filters there. And then run the units and check them. Make sure the charge is okay. I know one of them's a train, like a builder's model train, and the other one, I believe I put equipment in there because of the height and the diameter I had. I couldn't put a rod in there because limited space, I believe. Try to get you some shots if I can over there. It's in like a gated community. I gotta go in there and maintenance guys gotta let me in, shut the alarm off and all this shit. So it's kind of a process. $13. Well, they look new, so somebody's been changing them. I got a whole box of them. Yeah, so that's good. I'll have to check the upstairs unit. I did replace the condenser on this thing, and I just changed the piston on this. I left this coil here. I don't know when that was. That was a while back. This is the first floor unit, and there's 2 zone dampers. Zone damper there. And a zone damper there. I want to check the filters on the second floor first, and then we'll run them. This one's clean too. Someone's been changing them. So. Got a zone damper there. I think this one's got 2 zone dampers also. One on the other side. I got a whole case of filters downstairs. Someone's been changing them. That's good. We'll run one at a time and we'll check them outside. The second floor one. They're going to be pistons, so a wet bulb is 58, right? 57.5, which is 58. It's pretty cool in here, so we're going to have to turn it down below 68. They're pistons, so we got to set it by superheat. 58, right? We'll turn them both on. We'll set this down to 60, 66, just so it runs. My favorite thermostat, a Nest. Nothing but quality. Yeah, we're gonna have to After we check the charge, we'll come back and turn these up. Let's say the charge is... Alright, so this is 22. It's a leaker. See, our suction is below 60. See, it's a leaker. Now, our superheat, we're going to put some gas in it. It's a leaker. So we're going to add some gas to it. Got it on 22. We'll give it a little how you doing. We'll open the valve up so it's not giving it too much. You don't want to give it too much, and you want to add it slowly so it flashes going in. She's a leaker. Let's see what our superheat should be. So we're 65 outside. Alright, so 58 wet bulb, and we're 65 outside, so that's 16 degree superheat is what we need. You see that? 16. It's a train. Can't stop a train. See our superheat at 50 and our suction's low. We're gonna bring that suction up, and we're gonna bring this down by adding gas. The gas is going in to the suction. The subcooling is gonna be a little off, but bad. We're at 40, that's too low. We gotta be above 60. Gonna be above 60 on the suction on 22. 70's better. You can tell it's already starting to get warmer. Got a leaker here. You can watch the suction when this starts dropping. You know it's getting close. See how it says 64? When this starts dropping, we know it's starting to come back. Keep an eye on this. Now when that starts coming and starts dropping, we know we're going to start getting close with our charge. Alright, let's shut it off, see where we're at here now. You'll see we're still too low here. Our superheat's still off, see it? We're going to add more. She's a leaker. I know this is a 22 unit because I changed this one. This one's 410. Subcooling, she's pretty high. We'll get some gas in it and then we'll see what happens. 52. 22 inches wide, 21 and a half. What do we got here? I think this is a 4-ton. Which, I mean, this is not that big of a house here. It's a hydro air unit. Ton. Pretty bad leak. It's starting to ice up outside too, even with the gas in it. So she's gonna need an upgrade here. 3/4 line set coming up. Where does the line set go? It's a little hydro air unit. Line set goes right out there. Well, it might go down along the side of the house. I'll have to look at it, but this is the heat coming up here. A hydro air system. Just gonna have to quote this lady a price for a new system here. Not looking good out there. It's icing up and pressure's shit. Alright, so this one's not looking bad here. This is the first floor unit that I changed. And changed the piston downstairs. See, we're above 100 on the suction. Don't forget, it's only 65 out here. I mean, it's not even. And superheat's right where we need to be. We said 13, right? Can't go by subcoolant because it's a piston. It's only 65 out, so on a warmer day this would be higher. This system's fine. This one here is a problem. This one was icing up on me. So I did add gas to it, but maybe on a warmer day it might not ice, but she's gonna need a new system here. I'm gonna quote her a price on a new system for this one. First floor one's working good. I wonder what year it is. It's been in a couple of years. Alright, so the second floor's got a bad leak in it. She's icing up too, so I mean, I put some gas in. I got my suction to about 50 and she was starting to ice. Head pressure was high. My subcoolant was like 40, so that system's got to be upgraded. There's this first floor unit's working okay. I did upgrade this a couple of years ago. I left the coil downstairs, but she needs something for the second floor. On a warmer day, it might be okay for a little bit, but it's not gonna last. So I did check the unit upstairs. We're gonna give her a price on changing that one out. Put some gas in it for now, but she's got major issues, that second floor one. There's really no load in the house. I mean, so on a warmer day, it won't be as bad.